I'm Anil Kumar sharing with you few multiple choice questions on Pascal's Triangle. Some of these questions can be answered using combinations. I hope the methods which I discuss in these videos will help you to do better for your tests and save a lot of time for competitive exams. The question here is, determine the number of paths that spell London if the letters are arranged in a triangular array. And these are your choices. Actually, I should have written it in this form also. So let's say I'm just making an array now. I should have written and given you this choice. So let me just make a triangular array here. Okay, so anyway. So what we're trying to say here is that we could write London as L-O-N-D-O-N, correct? That's that in this form, correct? We could have gone from here in that direction also. So let me make this make some sense. So I'm just roughly sketching this out. All right, so we could go like this also, writing this as L-O-N-D-O-N, right? London, right? Or we are going, so number of paths like a triangular array means we are moving diagonally, kind of like this, right? Or we could do L-O, we could come like this, right? So N like this, right? So N could take these positions, D could take these positions, O could take these positions, N could take these positions. Is it okay? Now the idea is to count the total number of paths which are available to us. So one way, of course, is you could begin with Pascal's triangle, correct? You could say 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, like this, correct? And get to the numbers and then count all possible numbers here, right? That definitely is one way to do it, correct? The other way is, since you know you are forming a triangle, this is row number 1, is it okay? Row 1. London has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So how many rows do you have? You have 5 rows, right? So this is row number 5. And if you fill in all the numbers, what is going to be the sum of all these numbers? It is going to be 2 to the power of 5. Is it okay? So the answer is 2 to the power of 5, which is 32. So you could actually get to the answer by understanding that London has got 6 letters in it, right? 6 letters. And that will lead to from 0 to 5th row. Is it okay? In a Pascal's triangle. And sum of all the numbers in the 5th row is rather, in general it is 2 to the power of n. For the 5th row it will be 2 to the power of 5, and therefore the answer is 32. So I hope that helps, correct? So this is a very effective way to answer such questions. Now it's important to understand that we have specified triangular array. So you could straight, because nothing is missing in between, right? However, if I make some restrictions, then this method cannot be allowed. So you have to be careful when you use shortcuts. I'm Anil Kumar, and I hope that helps, right? You can always share and subscribe to my videos, and feel free to post questions. Thank you, and all the best.